Today we're going to show you how to make this cheesecake from a recipe that's over 1,000 years old. It's from the Byzantine Empire. It's very simple ingredients and it's very easy to make. The ingredients are 6 eggs, 4 cups of ricotta cheese, and in the old days they used farmer's cheese, a cup of honey, 4 tablespoons of flour, preferably wheat flour or semolina flour, 2 pinches of salt. And if you like, you can garnish it with mint like this. It's very soft. It's almost like a mousse. And it's delicious. It's sweet, but honestly, I don't think it's too sweet. I think it's right. 1,000 years ago, their desserts were a lot healthier than what we have now. Do you want to try some? My wife decided to add some fresh fruit to this cheesecake, and what we have here are fresh raspberries, which it still to me could be an ancient recipe, because if you had this cake and you had some fruit 1,000 years ago, you could always still put the fruit on the cake. Let's try it. It's delicious. It's a good idea. If you're going to make this, I recommend that you add the fresh fruit to it. So we got dill, chives, and rosemary, and tomatoes. We'll have to get some more basil again. Can put rosemary over here on the end. Rosemary, it's another one. There's 2, we bought 2 of them. So we've got chives, rosemary, oregano, thyme, dill, spearmint, and basil. All of a sudden it got cold last week, so maybe it kind of damaged some of these herbs. But I think that's the end of it. I think spring has started, even though it's not officially the date yet. And I think these are going to do just fine. Last year, we had watermelon planted here, and we had, I think, Armenian cucumbers, and they were growing very well. And then the squirrels dug a hole under the shed and came in and ate everything. So I'm trying to block the hole right now with these rocks. It's a lot of tiny little seeds. It's amazing to think about that you just put some seeds in the ground and add some water and you get life. Let's hope for the best.
Looks good.
How high should I go? So this is going to protect this tree from bugs, from heat and cold. And I like the way it looks. It looks nice. We got another gift from one of our viewers from the Jeff Mara podcast. Let's check it out. Your light has reached farther than you know. Thank you for your inspiring humanity. Brian Ritter, Maryville, Tennessee. From Kaizen. All right. Let's check it out. It's a very nice wooden cutting board.
It's so beautiful.
It's made in India. So that means to me that this was handmade,
Yeah.
you know, which is cool. Brian, thank you very much. We really appreciate this.